I was invited by the Middle East chapter in 2010 for a visit there when I was the faculty in charge alumni affairs for the institute. And I should thank Mr. Zaidi and his team, Mr. Ravi Jaiswal, having received me very well. So thank you, Mr. Zaidi and Mr. Ravi Jaiswal. I think all of you might be knowing the department is getting a new building because last 30-40 years we are suffering with the old building, and the reasons for getting expelled out by Mr. Mohan yesterday. So the construction will be starting shortly. So we will move into a brand new building, 5 floors, right, coming on the eastern side of the campus. Okay, 3-4 years we shift to the new building. Okay. Now I'll call upon Mr. K. Ravi Kumar of 1989 batch to address the gathering. With his permission, I'd like to share some interesting thing about him. In the first year BTech, we didn't have year-wise, semester-wise system. Now it was year-wise, and from second year onwards, it was a semester system. So from second onwards, that means for 5 semesters, he taught the class continuously for 5 semesters. But he was not the overall. That was unfortunate.
It was fortunate. Actually, for me, it's fortunate. I had a better student in our class who got the gold medal. So I never thought it that way at all. I was very happy to, it became like a contest actually between me and him. That was what it was, during the college. And good morning to all of you. I'm very happy to be here. First of all, I grew up in this city from my childhood. I had my schooling in St. Gabriel. After my schooling, I just wrote this entrance exam, 10+2, got a rank of 828 or something. Went to the college in Usman University where the counseling was taking place. Went inside this room. So there was a big board that was displayed. There were no electronic boards at the time. There was a green, this one. It said chemical engineering was the only that was available. 2 places it was available. One was Surathkal, the other one was Warangal. So my father, who was sitting next to me, said, if you want to go to Surathkal, you will have food cooked in coconut oil. Okay? Or you have Warangal, you can have your food cooked with your mother. You decide. So anyways, place of comfort. Warangal was known place, so I just took Warangal. Didn't know what was chemical engineering, literally. Had nobody to tell what was chemical engineering. Only thing I knew was one of my cousin brothers wanted chemical engineering in 1975 in Warangal, and chemical engineering was not given to him at that time. He was offered mechanical engineering. He went to Surathkal. Chemical engineering was that good in 1975. So that's the only thing that I knew when I just came into the college actually. First year, we had our class next door actually. So first year was very easy after 10+12. Grinding over. No, first year was somewhere here for us actually. Then was attracted little bit towards mechanical. Somebody was talking about basic mechanical engineering. Really did, but still didn't move. I kept in chemical engineering. First semester, as Vinu graciously said, just relaxed, didn't do anything. My bugbear was engineering drawing. I was very poor in this actually. I still don't know how I became an engineer. So after that, somehow developed the passion in chemical engineering. So all people said bonding. We spoke about all this stuff. What I created myself in myself was passion in chemical engineering during when I studied the subsequent years actually. There was one thing that grew in me during that period actually was we were looked down by all the other departments as a department that's in a 4-second place actually. It was us plus metallurgical. So we were both brothers together actually, in this being set in a corner. So we wanted to prove that yes, we could do something. We wanted to get, and that passion was, I had that passion at that time. And I'm speaking I here, don't take me I like that. I take me I as a student in chemical engineering. That's what I would say. basically, the passion was, if there was one job in India for a chemical engineer, I would be the one to get it actually. This was the passion that I wanted to show that yes, we could get there. God's grace and my lecturers' teachings, somehow that year, Engineers India came to our college, and then they selected 2 out of 4 whom they interviewed that year actually. And we were the first ones to get the job in the whole college actually. And it was a great pride for all of us actually. It's a great pride for all of us that yes, we, as chemical engineering, we did this. And it was a very small class. We were around 17 actually. That made our class much, the bonding was naturally there. So from there, I just went to Engineers India, worked for around 6 years in design of an ethylene plant. After that, I work right now for an oil company similar to ONGC in Abu Dhabi. Same company as Rakesh. We produce around 600,000 barrels of oil per day. So we are involved in basically setting up facilities for an existing field. It takes a lot of patience. A project which I am working on has taken 15 years since the time of inception, and still it is coming in continuous and stable operation, and still there is punch list which is there, which I need to close. So it takes patience. Passion and patience is what is required. And for students, actually, I would say have passion in these 4 years of chemical engineering, and this is what you take with you actually. In terms of you have one of the best lecturers here who used to give us. Sripati was one of my favorite lecturers. Somehow industrial technology was somehow my my favorite subject. I don't know why. So that's what I can say. Thank you very much to all my gurus and all my professors for all the education that have imparted me. I'm very happy to come back here actually after all these years and then be a part here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi Kumar. Actually, he sort of ventured to, because he was a day scholar like me and he was 1 year senior to me. So naturally, you go to seniors for any guidance. Thank you. Yeah, and one more I remember I should tell about Mr. Ravi Kumar is, I think there was a questionnaire put up for his classmates, and one of the questions was the favorite book of, you have to write your favorite book. I remember what he wrote 25 years back. He wrote Shreve's Chemical Processing List, which was his favorite book. Yeah, now I think it's my batch time. So I call upon my classmate, registered as Vinita Saji, but in our class she was Vinita K. Nambiar.